Welcome back everyone to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to fix PayPal something went wrong. If PayPal keeps showing this message, here are the most reliable steps you can follow to figure out what's causing it and how to fix it. Firstly, try checking if PayPal is having issues. Before troubleshooting your device, make sure PayPal isn't down. You can use websites like Down Detector to see if other people are reporting problems or if the PayPal server is down. If PayPal itself is having an outage, there's nothing to fix on your end. Just wait until they resolve it. Second fix is you can try switching to another browser. Sometimes the browser you're using is the problem. Try switching from another Chrome to Firefox, Edge, Safari, or Opera depending on what you have. Browser extensions or outdated versions can interfere with PayPal loading correctly. Also, your browser or app cache can become full or corrupted, which causes loading errors. Just clear the cache on your phone or your computer browser. And don't worry, clearing the cache doesn't delete your PayPal account or personal data. After clearing it, reopen PayPal and try again. If that didn't work, try logging out and back in. A simple refresh of your session can fix small glitches on the app. Just tap your profile picture and scroll down and choose logout and then sign in again, and it's the same process on PC. If you're using a VPN, disable it. Many financial apps, including PayPal, block VPN traffic for security reasons. Turning it off often fixes the error instantly. And if your bank account hasn't been confirmed yet, PayPal may block certain actions. Just go to your wallet or settings. Then check if your bank has a confirm or verify option waiting for you. Just complete those steps and retry. And finally, verify your card. If you're paying with a debit or credit card, PayPal may require a card verification. Open your PayPal wallet and look for any alerts on your card asking for confirmation. Once verified, payments usually go through smoothly. And of course, if nothing helped above, you can always contact the PayPal customer support at the messaging center. So that's the full list of the most effective ways to fix PayPal something went wrong error. Try these steps in order and one of them should get PayPal working again. If nothing helps, the problem might be specific to your account and contacting PayPal support is the best next move. So thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks like this.